According to Alejandro 2002, psycholinguistics studies and analyzes process and states involved in the understanding, production, and acquisition of language. Language plays a central role in the human brain, from how we process color to how we make moral judgments. It directs how we allocate visual attention, construe and remember events, categorize objects, stay oriented, reason about time, make financial decisions, experience and express emotions, and on and on. Talking makes it possible for us to communicate in great details what we want and what we feel. At the same time, language is a powerful engine of human intellect and creativity, allowing for endless of combination of words to generate new structures and new ideas. The whole lobes are involved in the production of language comprehension, but we are going to talk about the function of each one. The first one is frontal lobe. It's responsible for planning what you want to say to the other person or what you want to communicate. Broca's area is primarily responsible for language production and also grammar. Parietal lobe. When we are speaking, take control of the movement of our tongue, our mouth, and our lips, and also it's important for language production. Occipital lobe. It's primarily responsible for the body language when we are speaking face to face with another person. Temporal lobe. It's all about the listening and also it's important for language comprehension because when we are listening we need to be able to understand the information that the other person is telling us. Wernicke's area is related to the language comprehension and the vocabulary, and it's important to understand the information that the other person is sharing with us. According to Obler 1999, nerve cells are involved in the understanding and the production of the language, but not only is proper brain function necessary for proper language production, other structures of the central nervous systems are also required to function properly. If not, we may run into the following problems. Dysarthria. Dysarthria is a term that is given to the incorrect articulation of phonemes, and that has a neurological origin due to an injury in the areas of the central nervous system. Dysglossia is the incorrect articulation of the phonemes caused by a malformation of the orofacial structures. Dyslalia. This is an inability to correctly pronounce certain phonemes or groups of phonemes. It can be evolutionary or functional. Teaching English as a second language. The language comprehension that students show when they are trying to understand the English ideas is something really difficult, and all about that is related to the Wernicke's area. And also the vocabulary that the students have is a common problem because it doesn't allow a correct understanding. As we have seen, language is a very complicated skill, but when we use it every day we see it very simple. This happens with most of the human behaviors. Because the human is wonderful, the human brain is even more dynamic than we thought.